Good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are doing a walk-around, startup, and a drive video on one beautiful 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop. This beautiful black car has been completely restored. Just look at how this car shines. The paint body on this car are very nice. The chrome, you can see how nice the chrome and the stainless shines on it. Beautiful set of American Racing torque thrust wheels on it. Chrome wheels, Willwood 4-wheel disc brakes, 350 small block under the hood, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, vintage air conditioning. It does have fuel injection badges on the fenders. It is not a fuel injection car, it is a carbureted car, but just kind of adds to the outside appearance of the car. Them stickers and emblems look really nice on there. Billet steering wheel, tilt steering column. The original instrument cluster has been rebuilt and the gauges work. Interior, absolutely gorgeous. The interior's been all redone. It feels like leather. I'm not going to say if it's leather or vinyl, but it feels like leather. Beautiful package tray, headliner, dome light, sun visors, rear view mirror. Dash on the car is absolutely gorgeous as well. It's got a retro style radio in it. Get right to it, start it up. Headlight indicator. The horn's not working. Get that working. Door jambs, very nice shape. Door panels, beautiful. Original style of door panels. Car sounds great, runs great. This is a true black car as well. Originally a black car, so LED tail lights, got the chrome emblems, chrome badging. Got the trunk mat. Not much prettier in life than a beautiful black 57 Chevy two-door hardtop. Door gaps, fender gaps, very, very nice on this car. See how nice the chrome is up front. I say the paint on this car is super slick. Wheels on it. Trying to see if the rear ones are the same. They look like it. Doors open and shut, very nice. Like I say, the paint on this car, very, very nice. Very high quality car. It has been lowered. It has tubular upper and lower control arms. Has coilovers up front. Front sway bar. Very, very highly detailed engine compartment. Chrome brake booster and master cylinder. Headers on it. Holley carburetor. painless wiring, low car transmission dipstick, battery hold down, electric fan. Just one gorgeous 57 two-door hardtop. Like I say, the body and paint on this car are very, very nice. I don't see any bubbling or blistering anywhere. Just an extreme high quality 57 two-door hardtop. This car will not be here long. The stance on this car is gorgeous. We'll take her out for a drive. I just got back from a buying spree. I had about 7 or 8 cars show up while I was gone. Gas gauge works, temp gauge works, radio works. Beautiful day here in Iowa for late March. I'm glad that we're able to get these cars out and give you guys drive videos once again. It's always rough in the winter time when we can't do that. This car is absolutely amazing. Speedometer works. 70 mile an hour, 75 mile an hour right down the road. Speedometer might be a few mile an hour off. Feels like we're going about 68 or 70 maybe, but got all the windows down. I know you probably hear a little bit of air moving, but kind of what you get when you got a hard top with all the windows down. What a beauty. Like I said, this thing sits so nice, it looks great. Paint, body, interior, just gorgeous. She's ready to go to your car shows, your Cars and Coffee. All your friends will absolutely love this car. Mile built small block, and she runs great. I'll get out here and give you a little walk around of the outside of the car while she's sitting outside. Kinion Classic Cars Clearance, Iowa 563-452-2450. Man, she sounds great. She looks great. Beautiful day here in Iowa. It drives really nice. You can drive this car with 2 fingers on the steering wheel. Rides nice. This is a very well sorted out car. And like I said, I don't think they get any prettier. black paint just gleams. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and specialty inventory every day. So give us a call on this beautiful 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop.